Hello guys, I am Sonal and today I will teach you how to make these delicious homemade peach muffins. I usually make these muffins a lot during the summer months when fresh peaches are in season. They are always quick to disappear. I enjoy their moist and almost bread-like texture. If you like this recipe, write down in the comment section below. And don't forget me to follow on Instagram and Facebook. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel and click that notification bell for new videos. Bye.